This is a broken and scratched up cutting board. I bought it at an estate sale last month for $3. Looks like it's made from maple and walnut wood. It has 4 splits on it where it probably got damaged from too much moisture and not enough oil or wax treatment. When this happens, the wood often warps and you can't glue and clamp the boards back together. Drastic measures must be taken and the board needs to be separated or cut.
This is a valuable skill. People might even pay you to build things for them.
The edges all need to be even and flush with each other using a planer, sanding it, or I would have used my joiner, but the motor needs some maintenance. Put on as many clamps as you need to in order to glue these together and let it dry overnight. I started to sand the board with a belt sander, but then I decided to make it much quicker by using my DeWalt thickness planer. For the butcher block oil, I'm using a concoction I made from mineral oil, beeswax, and a little carnauba wax. After it soaks in and dries, it's a good idea to apply a second coat, and then periodically, every month or so, depending on how often you use it.